pero hindi pa rin kayo umubra sa isang magaling na abogado. Mukhang sabay-sabay nga raw napahiya sa sariling public hearing ang mga mambabatas na sina Representative Congan, Representative Gutierrez at Lanao del Sur Representative Adjong sa isa sa mga staff ni VP Sara na si Attorney Sunshine Fajardo. Umani ng samot-saring reaksyon at nagpalakpakan ng taong bayan nang sagutin ng diretsyo ni Attorney Fajardo ang mga aligasyon at tila akusasyon sa kanya noong ito pa ang isa sa mga opisyales ng Department of Education. Kahit pa pilit na binabaligtad ang mga tanong at di umano'y pilit pinapaamin sa mga aligasyon sa kanya, nanindigan ang law graduate na higit sa 20 taon nang nagtatrabaho kay VP Sara na hindi niya sasagutin ang mga mambabatas dahil may proper court o forum para dito. Hindi na nakakibo dito ang ilang mga party list representative lalo't sinabi pa ni Attorney Fajardo na may mga aligasyon sa kanya na hanggang ngayon ay puro kasinungalingan. Mas bumilib pa ang maraming manonood nang sagutin with confidence ni Ms. Fajardo ang lahat ng mga tanong sa kanya ni na Representative Adjong, Representative Gutierrez at Representative Congan na tila pare-parehas ng pinupunto na ito raw di umano ang nagbigay ng envelope kay Ms. Mercado na naglalaman ng 50,000 pesos. Panoorin ang full video!
Yusek Gloria Mercado. Sinabi nila noong nakaraang hearing, isiniwalat nila sa committee ito na inabutan mo daw sila ng puting envelope na naglalaman ng malaking pera. So dahil hindi ka nagpakita sa mga panong ito, hindi ka nabigyan ng pagkakataon para sagutin yung mga akusasyong ito. Totoo ba na inabutan mo sila ng sobre o nagsisinungaling silang tatlo?
Respectfully, Mr. Chair, I would not want to answer that question. May I explain if I be allowed? In the previous hearings, Mr. Chair, there have been those allegations which insinuated that I committed these illegal acts. There were actually some crimes that were mentioned, and as such, if I'm going to answer those allegations, Mr. Chair, respectfully, I would want to answer them in a proper forum wherein I will be able to present my defenses based on the completeness of the said allegations, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, tinatanong lang naman kita kung meron kang inabot o wala. It is answerable by yes or no. Kung wala, sabihin mo wala. Kung meron, sabihin mo meron.
I will not answer, Mr. Chair, respectfully po. I already stated my reason for such.
So you are invoking your right for self-incrimination?
I will not answering, Mr. Chair, as I've already informed you of the reason for such.
Okay.
Mr. Chair?
Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, I hope you understand po, with the respectfully to the chairman, Attorney Fajardo, we have rules po kasi in the committee, and refusal to answer is a ground for contempt. We would much prefer if you would choose to invoke your right, please do so. Do not say that you are refusing to answer. If you are very welcome to invoke your right, but we need to hear it from you po.
I stand by my answer in the previous answer that I've given to Honorable Kongkun, Mr. Chair.
That you refuse to answer.
Yes, Mr. Chair, because I will only answer in a proper forum where I will be able to present my defenses po.
You refuse to answer yet you do not invoke the right.
It's in the same manner, Mr. Chair, that I am saying that I refuse to answer such questions po.
Well, Mr. Chair, we leave it to the committee on how they would appreciate that answer. We just had to clarify whether this was an invocation of the right. Thank you, Ms. Fajardo.
Mr. Chair, may I interject? May follow-up, Mr. Chair. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Chair. So again, I would like to reiterate the question of Congressman Roch Gutierrez. Your answer, would that in effect invoking your right against self-incrimination?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yeah, because you've mentioned about the proper forum, so I would presume that the proper forum is the court. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So you are invoking your right against self-incrimination.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. But Mr. Chair, but that does not mean that she is denying the allegation. She's just merely invoking her right against self-incrimination. To me, Mr. Chair, that's my own interpretation is that's it's one way of saying that I admit, but this is not the proper code to discuss that. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's a manifestation po. And that is my personal interpretation.
I understand, Mr.
Thank
Chair.
you, Mr. Chair.
We will respect your right.